Today we will install Windows Server 2019, and we will need some kind of plan before the installation. So here is the plan. We will do the installation with VirtualBox. We have a couple of steps. First, we will need the operation system installation file, and actually I already prepared on the Win 2019 folder. Second step, we need to take some decisions about what kind of computer do we want, and this computer contains 3 gigs of RAM. We put it in the VirtualBox VM, and we provide the name for the computer. It will be Windows 2019 New. Third, we will create a machine, and after that we will install on the created machine the Windows 2019 server. As you know, machines, it's a virtual machine, it's a software, and software that emulate the hardware. Okay, after we have a plan, let's start and go ahead. We'll see if we will be successful. First one I did already, and we go into number 3. I'm clicking on machine, and it's new machine. Now the name, we already have a name. It's Windows 2019 New. The machine folder is correct. Type, it's Windows. Version, we need Server 2019. Let's find it, it's here. It's basically looks okay, and the only thing that we need, it's 3 gig of RAM. It will be free. Let's say 64. And we will create the hard disk. I click on create. Again, the location, it's under Windows 2019 New, and it's a good location. VDI, it's format of a hard disk specific to VirtualBox. What is important, that it is dynamically allocated. Dynamically allocated hard disk don't take all space immediately. It will grow as your machine grow. I click on create, and basically that's it. We created the machine. Now we will need to connect the installation disk to the machine. For this I'm going to settings, and in the settings I'm going to storage. Here I have a place for disk image, and let's connect it. We will add the image file. We will choose it here, choose the disk file, and this is the disk that I would like to add. It's evaluation version of Windows Server 2019. Open and OK. Since we finished the configuration, the only thing that left is to start the machine, and that will start the installation process. As you can see, installation started. We have standard evaluation, we have desktop experience. I would say that We will need desktop experience because it contains graphical interface. So next. Of course I accept the license. Next. I'm not doing the upgrade, so I will need to run installation of Windows, and here is the disk that we created. I click next, and the installation is started. Let's quick forward it. You will need to insert password of the administrator. Congratulations, your installation is finished. Thanks a lot for viewing, and see you next time.